Battery-powered toothbrush activates deep cleaning power of 20,000 sonic toothbrush strokes per minute at the touch of a button. Soft, floss-tip bristles provide a 4x deeper clean below the gum line for a superior cleaning. Vibrating toothbrush helps remove plaque from hard-to-reach areas. Battery-operated toothbrush features a built-in tongue and cheek cleaner that removes bad breath bacteria. Replaceable AAA batteries included. Toothbrush head is not replaceable. Contains 1 battery toothbrush and 2 AAA batteries. Experience the deep cleaning power of the Colgate 360 Floss-Tip Sonic Power toothbrush. Colgate 360 Floss-Tip Sonic Power battery toothbrush has floss-tip bristles that provide 4x deeper reach, which combined with 20,000 sonic toothbrush strokes per minute and a tongue and cheek cleaner, provides a healthier whole mouth clean, versus brushing teeth alone with an ordinary flat trim toothbrush. This vibrating toothbrush does not replace flossing, but is use the sonic strokes to remove and break up plaque for a healthier smile. This battery-operated toothbrush for adults cleans teeth, tongue, cheeks and gums. A replaceable AAA battery is included. Top reviews from the United States. Lots of cleaning power in these toothbrushes. I didn't want to spend a fortune on a toothbrush, but do appreciate the fact that battery-powered toothbrushes generally do clean better, especially when you move them gently over your teeth. This little dynamo has incredible vibration, and that's exactly what I want. Excellent.